Okay, now quick whiz through the rest of the bits and pieces. German DAX, I'm just going to stick with the 15-minute chart. Yesterday's low should have been the bottom of this wave 2 or B. We need to clear this area here to prove it. So 12,290 is the critical level we need to get through in the German DAX. Otherwise, we are coming down to 12,059 to 12,035 and an outside chance of 11,997. I'm still long the DAX. If I come over and just show you that quickly on the 4-hour chart, there's the 1 up, ABC for the 2 back. Now I think this is morphing into a diagonal, hence this is the A of 3 rather than the 1. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the fibs and the support zone. All these charts, by the way, I've updated about half an hour ago on the site. So if you go to the main dashboard, all of this with all this detail for the DAX with the levels is on there now for those of you that are long the DAX this morning. Stop at yesterday's low for now, take it out, and I'll look to restrike again in this zone, okay, in the German DAX. UK FTSE, whoops, excuse me. So bouncing slightly, I think it needs 2 more 4-5s down to 73.68 ideally. Having said that, we did hit the 38.2 back. If the 2 is in the US indices, the 2 may also be in at a shallow retrace in the UK FTSE. If it takes out 76.66 and then it would have to take the top out here at 77.90, we're done and we're going a lot higher. And then finally, a quick whiz